Hey pen pals, today's quick tip is how to install an international size ink cartridge in a fountain pen. So nice and simple, nice and easy. What we're going to do is we're going to take the cap off of this Retro 51 fountain pen. We're going to unscrew the front section from the body, and usually the Retro 51 fountain pen will have two cartridges in there to start with. They'll be what's called piggybacked on each other, and we'll show you what that means. When we have the cartridge here, we're going to take the small tapered end, we call this like the nipple end here, and then we're going to install it on the little peg that's inside of the section here, and that peg will pierce this cartridge when you press it nice and firmly on there. See, and it kind of snaps into place, and it's nice and firm, not wiggly, it's not loose. You just definitely want to make sure it's not loose. So, and then what you would do is to have this as a spare backup for when this cartridge runs out, you'd want to drop this into the barrel, and the Retro 51 has enough space to do so. So you drop this in the barrel with the front end at the barrel end, and then just pop this guy back on here and screw it shut. And there you go. You've got yourself an ink cartridge that's installed in your fountain pen. Sometimes you might want to wait like a minute or so for the ink to fully prime in the feed, or if you want to speed the process up a little bit, you would then take the back end of the cartridge, and you kind of see like the ink is stuck towards the back end there, so I kind of flicked it to move it towards the front end, and then you could squeeze it to kind of force that ink to prime the feed a little bit quicker than it usually would take. So that is today's quick tip. Thank you for joining us. Take care.